Cozy Face here. This is a very naturist vlog. Is that even a word? I don't care. I will be carrying the camera around and I will not so. CJ, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? I have no clue what he is doing. Random Cozy Face vlog. Beautiful naturist. Focus on me. The light needs to be on me. Okay. Please just stay. Okay. What? Please what? Please what? Please what? Please daggone what? Whatever. Leave a like on this beautiful video. This is our longest video in history, so give it a big thumbs up. Because it's taking me a very long time to upload. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you what Cozy Face is all about. So me and my niece, Brooklyn, shush it! We made a group called Sexy Face. Sorry if that offends you. And I don't have to talk loud over this kid, man. So we changed it to Cozy Face because our parents didn't like it. And so it includes a routine every night. I'm not going to explain that. It includes texting, Minecraft, of course YouTube, and a lot of electronics. So we have overloaded electronics. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have like 7 or 8 or 9, like 9 devices. 8 devices, something like that. So if you want to be in the Cozy Face group, comment down below. You need 2 or more people. And you need 2 or more devices. Not just for the people, but just for the freaking sake of it. I'd rather have more than 2. Because, I mean, YOLO, you're texting right next. Bye. That was just something I had to take care of, so sorry for my hand, but comment down below if you want to be in the Cozy Face group. I will pick the winner, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Oh, and also, guys, that, if you're wondering, that is why this channel is called Cozy Face. Bye-bye.